Your breakdown is your breakthrough. Have you ever felt like life is falling apart from every side? Your relationships crumbling, your health slipping, your career uncertain, and even your identity, the person you thought you were, suddenly feels unfamiliar. In those moments, it's natural to ask, why me? But what if that's the wrong question? What if, instead, this breakdown is actually the beginning of your breakthrough? Life doesn't just shake us, sometimes it breaks us. It's terrifying, but what if this breaking isn't meant to destroy you? What if it's stripping away everything that isn't real? It's in those raw, broken moments that your true self begins to surface, not the version built to please or perform, but the one buried beneath it all, finally waking up. Pain is not punishment. It's preparation. Every loss, heartbreak, or disappointment isn't making you weaker but shaping you into someone wiser, stronger, and more aligned with who you're meant to become. You're not cursed, you're being carved into someone unshakable. Have you ever wondered why your path feels harder than others? Why it seems like you're constantly tested? It's not because you're failing. It's because you're ready. Life tests those closest to awakening, those strong enough to carry deeper truths. If life keeps throwing you into the fire, maybe it's because you're the one who can walk through it and rise. Strength isn't just holding on, sometimes real strength is knowing when to let go. Let go of what's hurting you, of the pressure to be perfect, and the parts of yourself built only for survival. When you release what no longer serves you, your hands become free to receive what's truly meant for you. Surrender is not weakness, it's wisdom. You don't have to wait to be fearless or fully healed to move forward. What you need is to begin. Take a step, even if it's shaky or slow. Healing doesn't come after the action, it begins with it. The pain you carry is not random. It's an invitation to go deeper, to wake up, to remember who you are. What broke you might have opened a door, what ended might be your greatest beginning. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Try asking, what is this trying to teach me, or what is this waking up in me? You were never meant to stay the same. Sometimes life tears everything down so you can rebuild with truth. You are not broken, you are breaking open. And what's coming through that crack is power, clarity, and peace. Keep going, not despite the pain, but because of it. Your breakdown is not your end. It's your breakthrough. If this message spoke to you, please like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Comment below with, I'm rising, if you're ready to turn your struggles into strength. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more uplifting content to support your journey. You're not alone, and your breakthrough is just ahead.